One of the main reasons why I do this in the morning is just to get the guys onto my side. Oh, well, it's not going to get better than that. Right, let's rotate. I'm Brett Florens, destination wedding photographer, Nikon ambassador, and educator. I'm going to be taking you through one entire wedding with a twist. Clap? Yeah. No? Mm-hmm. This one is in Dubai. Right. There it is, eyes to me. There it is, beautiful, gorgeous. Don't worry about the mess at all. I know exactly what I'm doing, done this before. I will take you through the gear that I'm packing, 70 to 200, 2.8, how to meet the client. Hello.
I've never done this before. How are you?
Lovely to see you, very cool. The engagement session. You're coming to the front of the boat, okay? Looking up straight over my head. I'm going to be shooting from over there. The wedding. I think it's really important to do this after the makeup artist is done rather than bothering her while she's doing it. I'm going to be making customized albums for each groomsman. It's nice to get Andrew's reaction. You can see him shooting through glasses and flowers and things. It's in over here, hands in the pockets, and you're standing there looking over there that way. So I'm just going to pick up the veil and shoot through the veil, perhaps just to see what it looks like. A post-wedding session. How I put the albums together, and then the delivery of the final product. One wedding, destination Dubai.